Hey, what's up everybody? It's me, Jim. And today we're unboxing something a little different. The future of digital marketing with OnPassive. This isn't just another gadget or piece of tech, it's a revolutionary platform that's set to change the way we think about marketing. Now, I know what you're thinking. Digital marketing, isn't that already saturated with tools and platforms? But trust me on this, OnPassive is not your average marketing platform. It's designed to leverage cutting-edge AI technology to give you an edge like never before. This is about harnessing the power of artificial intelligence to completely change the game. Imagine having a virtual assistant that can predict trends, optimize your campaigns, and even automate your customer interactions. We're talking automation, optimization, and a whole lot more. It's like having a team of experts working for you around the clock, ensuring your business runs smoothly and efficiently. So whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, OnPassive has something for you. It's designed to be user-friendly and scalable, making it perfect for businesses of all sizes. Get ready to unlock the full potential of your business. Let's dive in and explore what OnPassive can do for you. Stay tuned. But as always, please remember to subscribe, like, and comment below. Thanks. At its core, OnPassive is all about making your life easier. Imagine a world where your daily tasks are simplified and your business operations run smoothly without constant oversight. How does it do that? What makes OnPassive stand out in a crowded market of business solutions? With a suite of AI-powered tools designed to automate and optimize your marketing efforts. These tools are not just smart, they are intuitive and user-friendly, making them accessible to everyone. Think email marketing that practically runs itself, sending personalized messages to your audience at the perfect time, every time. Social media management that's always on point, ensuring your brand stays relevant and engaging across all platforms. An SEO that gets you noticed, driving organic traffic to your site and boosting your online presence. OnPassive takes care of the heavy lifting so you can focus on what you do best, running your business. But that's not all. It also helps you streamline your workflow, making your team more efficient and productive. OnPassive also gives you the power of data. It tracks your campaigns, analyzes your results, and provides detailed reports. These reports offer actionable insights to help you make smarter decisions, ensuring your strategies are always data-driven and effective. It's like having a personal marketing assistant available 24/7, ready to assist you whenever you need it, making sure you never miss an opportunity. Now, let's talk about what really matters, the benefits. OnPassive isn't just about fancy features, it's about real, tangible results for your business. First and foremost, OnPassive saves you time. By automating repetitive tasks, you can reclaim hours in your day and focus on more strategic initiatives. Second, OnPassive helps you get more bang for your buck. Its targeted campaigns and AI-powered optimization ensure that you're reaching the right audience with the right message, maximizing your return on investment. Section 4, Real-World Applications OnPassive in Action. Okay, so we've talked about the features, the benefits, but how does OnPassive actually work in the real world? Let's look at some examples. For e-commerce businesses, OnPassive can automate product promotions, personalize customer interactions, and even recover abandoned carts. Local businesses can use OnPassive to target customers in their area with hyper-local campaigns, manage their online reputation, and even schedule appointments. And for network marketers, OnPassive provides the tools to build and manage their teams, track their progress, and communicate effectively with their downline. Section 5. Join the movement. Be a part of the OnPassive community. At OnPassive, we believe in the power of community and collaboration. We are more than just a platform. We are a thriving ecosystem of like-minded individuals. But OnPassive is more than just a platform. It's a community where everyone is welcome and everyone has a voice. Here you can connect with people from all walks of life, each bringing their unique perspectives and experiences. It's a place where entrepreneurs, marketers, and innovators come together to share ideas, support each other, and grow their businesses. Imagine a space where your ideas are valued and your growth is a collective goal. When you join OnPassive, you're not just getting access to cutting-edge technology, you're becoming part of a movement. A movement that is dedicated to innovation, progress, and mutual success. A movement that's changing the future of digital marketing and empowering people to achieve their dreams. We are redefining what it means to be successful in the digital age. So, if you're ready to take your business to the next level, head over to the OnPassive website and see what it's all about. You won't regret it. Join us today and be a part of something bigger, something transformative. Your journey to success starts here. For more information about OnPassive and how you too can make money, please go to the description below. Thank you and have a great day.